All right, welcome back to the foundation. This is video number 2 to our Texas trip, as promised. Got a couple of the video. The video's got the commentary, no commentary, and the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, like the tour of the house. So, yeah, this is going to be the commentary. Got the no commentary is uploading right now. So, yeah. So lobster shirt, love it. So yeah, you know, it's one thing that I'm really just kind of just thinking about and kind of planning, like road trips. They are, you can do them really cheap, especially if, for example, if my family were to go on a road trip. The really good one, seeing a lot of amazing sights and all that, it would be 1,500. And if we have 4, and if we have like Kara and Marquez, for example, that would be 4, 5, 6. So you divide 1,500 divided by 6, $250, and that'll be round trip for an amazing road trip. So, yeah, it's great. You know, this is kind of new for me to say, hey, I want to go on like a road trip and stuff. But I do love travel. So, you know, it's food for thought. You know, I know a lot of people might not like a road trip, but hey, it's all about goals. But anyway, so here's the video. All right, we are back with the foundation, and this is just this was a great and fun trip. Got to drive, I would probably say maybe halfway, and Chicken Lips did the other half. But yeah, here we go. We are. This is the Mississippi River, headed into Louisiana, and yeah, there's Livingston, Texas, and then this next clip of Texas was in the last video. I put the GoPro on my lap, and I told you I mentioned it, so here it is. Nice. And we are coming up on Austin, Texas. Pizza. Here it is. All right. The grand city of Austin. We're coming up on Granger, Texas. 2003 of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house. The remake. But look at that. Just great country. We're pulling up on it, about to get out and take a look around.
I don't know.
There it is. Such a lovely place. Here's the shot I was looking for when editing. I finally found it. There it is. Look at that. Very, very nice. Oh, yes, and here is the windmill. Iconic scene from the movie. There it is. We are headed out to officially going to Kingsland, Texas. There we go. We're coming up on a nice shot. Look at that. The skyline. Wow. Like the horizon is beaming on the house. That was not planned. That was by total accident. But there it is. And let's talk about Kingsland real quick, because Kingsland, Texas is very impressive. It's not on the map. It really should be. But here's a Grand Central Cafe, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre House. Very impressive. The food was great. Our server in the last video, it'll be linked in the description below, gave us a tour of the house, and uploading as we speak the official tour of the house. But anyway, it's just nice. And look at the inside. There's the iconic stairway. There's the outside. Just a nice spot. Very impressed with it. There I am. I'm very impressed with it overall. Very just the city itself. At the end of the video, we'll show you Kingsland in all of its glory, the scenic overlook. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So wanted to walk around the house. There's the inside. Nice. Get slow motion. And here is the slow motion. If you're a nerd like me, you'll appreciate the slow-mo. And we were just really in awe of this little place, this little gym called Kingsland, Texas. And let me just look at the place. Man. Very awesome place. Look at that. And there we go. And here we go. Just look at the place. Awesome slow motion. Very impressed with it. We're coming up upon the scenic overlook. And there it is. Wow. Couldn't ask for a perfect place. More perfect trip. There it is. That's it. And it was in awe. Kingsland, Texas. Well, that is the commentary of the of our Texas road trip. I'll have all the other videos down in the description below. Again, I've said it once and I'll say it again. What's your overall? What is your bucket list? Forget road trips, forget all that. But what is your dream to do? Do you want to be an astronaut? Do you want to be a doctor, a police, whatever? You know, we live on a planet that is amazing, and you got the best resource right here, a telephone. You can Google anything you want to, and it's amazing, you know, just to see how all the things that you can see. So one of the main things you need is money. And let's see, I'm going to show you a little magic trick with money. Going to show you how to, well, I'm not going to give my secrets away because that's, but I'm going to show you how to turn this $1 bill, you can only do it with a $1 bill, into a ring. And here's how you do it. And there is your ring right there. Wow. And I can turn it back into a $1 bill in 1, 2, 3. A $1 bill. So, yeah, it's as simple as that. You know, a good magician doesn't give away his secrets. So, you know. But anyway, so that's how you do it. But anyway, so bucket list. What's your biggest dream that you can go after? You know, put it down in the comments. We want to know at the foundation. And if you want to know more on the magical ring trick, stay tuned for Tuesday night Bible study, and I will show you how I did it. So, like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.